Hi, I'd like to share some Marma points that can help in managing neck pain. I'll be introducing the specific points that can be stimulated to support healing and relief. Shivarandhra is located at the crown of the head, slightly behind the top center, near the posterior fontanelle, where the skull bones meet. In Sanskrit means Shiva's gateway, considered the entry and exit point of prana, life force, and consciousness. The Manumula Marma point is located at the base of the neck, where the neck connects with the shoulders and upper back, specifically near the C7 vertebra or the cervicothoracic junction. The name is derived from two Sanskrit words, manya, meaning neck, and mula, meaning root or base. Together, Manumula refers to the base of the neck. This Marma point is considered significant in Ayurvedic therapy for its role in relieving neck tension, improving circulation, and supporting the flow of energy between the head and the body. Viduram Marma location is just behind the ear, in the depression between the mastoid process and the jawbone. Viduram literally means, that which holds the skull. Krikatika Marma location is at the base of the skull, just behind the ears where the neck meets the head. Krikatika means the axis that which facilitates the rotation of the skull. Griva Marma location is at the back of the neck, around the cervical spine, vertebral column in the neck area. Griva can be translated to neck or power. Manyamani Marma location is at the navel region, similar or identical to Nabi Marma, but with deeper energetic implications. Mani means jewel, so Manyamani translates roughly to the jewel of the navel or the central jewel. Asa Falaka Marma is located in the shoulder blade region, specifically over the scapula, shoulder blade. More precisely, it refers to the flat surface of the upper back behind the shoulders. There is one Asa Falaka Marma on each side of the back. In Sanskrit, Asa means shoulder, and Falaka means flat surface or blade. Therefore, Asa Falaka literally translates to shoulder blade region. Urdhva Skandha Marma is located at the uppermost part of the shoulder, where the shoulder meets the neck. Anatomically, it corresponds to the acromioclavicular joint, the junction between the clavicle, collarbone, and the scapula, shoulder blade. In Sanskrit, Urdhva means upward or upper, and Skandha means shoulder. Thus, Urdhva Skandha translates to upper shoulder point. These were the Marma points that can be stimulated to support the healing of neck pain. Stay tuned for Marma points related to other conditions. Bye for now.